chills right now. You hear that shit?
Yes.
What the fuck? We were just literally watching videos about that. Wait. Okay, that sound being now is an airplane. But the other sound, what the fuck is that? Okay, see, the sound that you hear now is an airplane, but the sound that we're hearing is coming from over there. It's starting to fade. What the fuck was that? Are you not fucking freaked out or weirded out right now?
I didn't want to know what that video says about that noise.
Oh my god, you can still hear it. It sounds like a motorcycle, like
No, it's
zooming away, or like a horn or something. Starting to fade. That is so fucking weird.
That's creepy.
Dude, we were just literally watching a video on this shit. I want to see if you could hear it for any more, like any longer. It's just fading. Oh my god. I am fucking weirded out right now. I think it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. You can still kind of hear the sound. It's kind of faded though. I wonder if you could hear. I wonder if it would get louder. Oh,
I don't know. It doesn't sound as loud as it sounded.
a couple seconds ago, right? All right, I'm gonna stop this. Damn, this is fucking crazy.